Welcome back to Brightknowledge-Healthy Living, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we have an exciting topic that's sure to inspire you on your journey to a healthier you. We're diving into the incredible world of planking and discovering what happens to your body when you commit to a 5-minute plank every day. So, if you are ready to boost your core strength, improve your posture, and enhance your overall well-being, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you did a 5-minute plank every day? Planking is a popular exercise that involves holding a push-up position with your arms straight and your body in a straight line. It might seem challenging at first, but the benefits it can bring to your body are truly remarkable. In this video, we will explore what happens to your body when you commit to doing a 5-minute plank daily. The plank is one of the simplest and most effective exercises that you can do. It works all of the major muscle groups in your body, including your core, shoulders, back, chest, and legs. Best of all, it can be done anywhere, anytime, without any equipment. What is a plank? A plank is a static exercise that involves holding your body in a push-up position for an extended period of time. To do a plank, start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core muscles and hold the position for as long as you can. The benefits of planking. Planking has a number of benefits, including stronger core muscles. One of the most noticeable changes will be in your core muscles. The core includes the muscles in your abdomen, lower back, and pelvis. When you do a plank, you engage these muscles to keep your body in a straight line. Over time, this helps strengthen and tone your core, giving you a flatter and more defined stomach. Improved posture. A strong core also plays a significant role in improving your posture. When your core muscles are strong, they provide better support to your spine, helping you stand up straighter. This can reduce the risk of back pain and make you look more confident and poised. Enhanced balance. Balancing on your forearms or hands during a plank helps improve your overall balance. This can be especially beneficial as you age, as better balance can prevent falls and injuries. Increased endurance. Doing a 5-minute plank daily will gradually increase your muscular endurance. You'll find it easier to perform other exercises and daily activities without feeling tired quickly. Better coordination. Planking requires you to use multiple muscle groups simultaneously, which can enhance your coordination. Improved coordination can have a positive impact on your everyday life, from playing sports to simple tasks like carrying groceries. Boosted metabolism. Engaging in a 5-minute plank session every day can help boost your metabolism. A faster metabolism means you'll burn calories more efficiently, which can aid in weight management. Enhanced mood. Exercise, including planking, releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Regular planking can help reduce stress and anxiety, making you feel happier and more relaxed. Improved flexibility. While planking mainly targets your core, it also stretches and lengthens several muscle groups, including your shoulders, hamstrings, and even your toes. This can lead to improved overall flexibility over time. Increased stamina. As you build strength and endurance through daily planking, you'll notice an increase in your overall stamina. Everyday tasks, such as climbing stairs or walking long distances, will become easier. Self-confidence. Seeing and feeling the positive changes in your body can boost your self-confidence. Knowing that you've committed to a daily exercise routine and achieved results can be incredibly empowering. Improved mental health. Planking can also have a number of mental benefits, such as improved focus, concentration, and willpower. It can also help to reduce stress and anxiety. Leaner physique. The plank helps to burn calories and build muscle. This can lead to a leaner, more toned physique. How long should you hold a plank? If you are a beginner, start with shorter planks of 30 seconds to 1 minute and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Aim to work up to a 2-minute plank. If you can hold a plank for longer than 2 minutes, you can try challenging yourself with different variations, such as the side plank or the elevated plank. How often should you plank? You can plank every day, but it is important to listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. If you are new to planking, start with 3 to 4 planks per week and gradually increase the frequency as you get stronger. How to do a plank correctly? To do a plank correctly, follow these steps. 1. Start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. 2. Engage your core muscles and tuck your pelvis under. 3. Keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. 4. Look down at the floor in front of you. 5. Hold the position for as long as you can. Tips for planking. Make sure to engage your core muscles throughout the entire plank. Keep your back straight and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Breathe deeply and evenly throughout the plank. If you start to shake, take a break. Gradually increase the duration of your planks as you get stronger. Conclusion. Incorporating a 5-minute plank into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your body and overall well-being. From a stronger core and better posture to improved balance and mood, the benefits are numerous. Remember to start slowly if you're new to planking and gradually increase your time to avoid overexertion. With dedication and consistency, you'll be amazed at what 5 minutes of planking every day can do for your body. So, grab a mat, get into position, and start planking your way to a healthier, happier you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content on living your best, healthiest life. Until next time, keep planking, keep smiling, and keep shining. Here's to a brighter and healthier you. Take care, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.